Whether you're coding an EA from scratch or adding features, knowing when the market is open or closed is crucial. I'll show you how to use ChatGPT to quickly generate code to check market hours. Let's start by asking ChatGPT to create a function to detect when the market is closed. Just type a prompt like, "Write me a MetaTrader 5 code snippet to check if the market is closed, including on the weekends, and include the close rollover period during the weekdays." If local time is the weekend show market close, do not use MT4 function TimeOfWeek. Instead, declare a server time structure variable and a local time structure variable for checking the day of the week. Include OnTimer, OnInit, and OnDeinit functions and set EventSetTimer for 5 seconds. Use the comment function to display market is closed or market is open along with the day of the week. Ensure all conditions are explicitly defined with parentheses to clarify precedence. Also clear comment function OnInt. ChatGPT generates a code snippet that verifies market status based on time, including weekends and rollover periods. Here's the key part of the code. We use time-based conditions in the function to check if the current time falls outside market hours. This helps the EA avoid unnecessary actions when the market is closed. Using this function, you can return true if the market is closed and false otherwise. In your EA code, you'd add a condition to only execute when this function returns false. Let's integrate this function into our EA. In the OnTick function, we can add a quick check to see if the market is open before running any trading logic. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more quick coding tips with ChatGPT. Also below this video, you can find the code prompt for this video and link to our website for more information on our Master ChatGPT class. See you next time. Thanks for watching.